This is an OSRAM night light with a light sensor. Kind of dirty, don't mind that. This is the light sensor. So when you plug this into the wall socket, it senses if there's enough light. If there's not, then it turns on a 1 watt LED, less than a watt. Let's just see here. Can the camera focus on it? Yeah, 0.4 watts. I thought it was stronger. So yeah, this is crap. Okay, never mind. But I'm going to tear it down because it's no longer useful. I just put an LED strip that's constantly on. I put it there in a very dark room of the house. It's always on, it doesn't bother anyone, and it barely consumes any energy. So yeah. So let's see. I want to see what's inside, as the phrase goes on the YouTubes. Let's break it. Oh boy, it's bending my screwdriver. Haha! Top quality, my ass. It's slightly bent. Okay, time to get something something stronger. Oh boy. One of these bigger screwdrivers, not the miniature one. This should do it. I mean, break it. I want to break it now because it bent my screwdriver. Oh, yeah, I need to pry it here. Come on. That's just stupid. Why is this so sturdy? Do you see? I can't open it. Oh. So it goes up there, and let's try to take out the plastic. Maybe. I heard it budge. No? No. Okay. Bad idea. So, what can I do here? This is really stupid. Do I have to get the saw? Oh boy, let me get the saw. So, here's the saw. And where did I start it? Here. Let's just okay. I think that got through, and let's see. Oh boy. Still doesn't want to budge like I would like. Maybe a couple more cuts. Okay. I didn't cut any electronics. And oh, now it wants to come out. Okay. Or at least part of it. Haha. Ah! Man, this is funny and kind of clever. Because this part has to be able to spin around and they just put a strange shape reflector in there. That the LED, I mean the light source, is always in the middle, but the this is funny. This is really funny. Okay, and I will need this tip which can unscrew security screws with that stupid hump in the middle. Good thing I bought this set. It was just $4. But now I don't have to worry about these stupid screws. So yeah, this is funny. And inside we have one LED, and I can push it out. No. But yeah. Oh, there's a light sensing diode probably. Let's get this out. I don't mind if I break it. I just want to see what's inside. Eh? Does it mind if I break it apart? It shouldn't mind, because it's just a object. Come on. Come on. It shouldn't be attached to anything. Or it's tightening on these plastic thingies. I don't think so. But let's see. Let's try a different angle. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it came out. Okay. So, yeah, the two wires don't let it come further. But if I unscrew the screw, then it comes out with the plug. So, no worries. It's coming. Okay. So it has a power supply inside. Oh. Just with capacitors and no transformer. What's this? It's a 0.1 microfarad capacitor, 250 volts. So this takes the main voltage and probably gives it to this little feller. And yeah, they just feed one LED. That's their main purpose. And there's no chip inside. That's interesting. So they set it up that the voltage of on the LED will vary depending on the light coming in. Oh yeah, probably one of these transistors or chips. Yeah. Okay, these control it. I've seen it before in the garden solar lamp thing that has a battery that it charges and whatever. That also uses one of these. Not exactly the same type, of course, but something like this, and it can switch between charging the battery and turning on the light. So yeah, this is kind of fun. Lomac HF0294VO. Okay, if they say so. So yeah, this was $3 like 10 years ago, and it worked until recently. I mean, it still works, but yeah, it's not appropriate anymore. people get older, they lose their eyesight, and they need better lights in dark rooms. Yeah. Okay, so what is this? It has some writing on it. CBB 21 474J and 630 volts. Okay. So yeah, maybe let's just look at these transistors or chips or whatever they are. And then I'm done. I didn't learn anything really new here. Does it focus? Yeah, okay. So it's S8050B331. And the other one, S8550 C331. So these are probably a pair. Oh, it's the... No, they are not the same. They are a pair probably. Whatever, you can look that up. So yeah, this is a night light made by OSRAM, which is not strong enough anymore. So yeah, I hope you learned something.